Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use ACF in the Divi theme. So before I'm going to start installing etc, I'm just going to show you guys or tell you what is ACF exactly. So ACF stands for Advanced Custom Fields. So I'm just going to give you an example on how we implement and where we implement ACF. For example, I do like imagine you're selling books. And each book have like the title, the author, the date of publishing, the number of pages, I don't know, the references, etc., etc. So all of these information, you cannot just put it in WooCommerce. WooCommerce doesn't give you these fields. Like even if you go to, for example, WooCommerce, I already have it installed, products, and I edit the products. Like when I scroll down, I don't find any information, like any specific fields that I can put. Like I already have the product description, the price, like eventually a short description. But if I want to have another fields that I want to show, like I told you guys in the books, I cannot have that. So that's where WordPress stops. And when we use ACF, it extends this functionality and this ability to create or add new custom fields. So I hope this was clear. So I just wanted to everyone to know more about ACF. So I'm just gonna go, let's go and let's install ACF. All right, so I'm gonna go and straight to install ACF. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys two examples on how to implement and how to use ACF, and then you're going to learn and like use it in your case, okay? So I'm just going to search for ACF here. So ACF, you're going to find Advanced Custom Fields by WP Engine, like activate it or install now and then activate. And then I'm going to scroll down after it's active and you're going to find ACF. So click on it. Okay, first we're gonna add a field group, so add new. So I'm just gonna call the field group, for example, product. Let's say we're gonna add, let's say the field that we're gonna add. Okay, I'm gonna just call it product ACF fields. And then we're gonna focus on finding the exact thing. So the first custom field in the field, so I'm just gonna keep it, the field type will be text. The field label, I think, let's say remaining, or let's say because our website, let me show you guys. So like in the last tutorials, we built this shop together, we added the different products, etc. It's about tech products. Like we have a speaker, PC, etc., etc. So let me just create a field where we show the specs, the different specs. For example, text specs here. For the field name, just gonna hit like it's already written by itself. Default value, I'm gonna leave it empty. And that's it. I'm not gonna add any other field. I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna go to the setting. Okay, so this is important. So the location rules. So show this field if the post type is equal to what. So you have choices in post type because we're gonna choose product. So the product is already a post type. So post type is equal to, and we're gonna choose here product. Okay, you can add another rule, but for me that's it. Like we don't need any other group. So after we finish, I'm gonna save changes. And right now, as we go to the products, we should see this specific custom field that we just created. So I'm just gonna edit, for example, this speaker. So I'm gonna edit the product. And when I scroll on, I should see this custom field. And voila. Here it is. So we have product ACF fields. This was created by ACF, and we have the text specs. For example, this speaker have the text specs of, I don't know, the text specs. It has maybe like SD card, placement or whatever. I'm not into tech specs. I'm just gonna say, or SD cards plus jack input, maybe. I don't know. I'm just saying. And then I'm just gonna hit save. Okay, it's saved. I'm gonna go now to the shop. And when I click on the product, I'm not gonna see any custom field. So the reason why I don't see the custom field, because I really need to like put that or link it or map it into the product page. So to do so, I'm gonna go back to the dashboard. All right, so I'm just gonna go to the theme builder right now. So go to Divi, theme builder. And as you remember, guys, we did that in the last videos. If you wanna go back and watch the playlist, I already put everything, like all the posts, all the blog, the shop, all the products, etc. But today we're gonna focus on just implementing what we need to do. So I'm gonna go back. You can even like follow these steps. So you can do that in your website if you already have a theme builder or any product template. So I'm just gonna edit. So this is the template that we already created. So as you see, we placed the image, product name, etc., etc. I don't know what's that. And now we're gonna add the custom field that we called the specs, I think. And we're gonna add it to be shown in every product or the product that we have. So I'm gonna search for ACF, and as you see, we don't have a module called ACF. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna search for text, you're gonna add a text, and then we're gonna use what we call a dynamic tag. When you scroll down, you're gonna find this icon AI, and next to it, there is like a database icon. You're gonna click on it, it's the dynamic content, and then we're gonna scroll down until you find ACF. So as you see, the ACF field text specs already shows here. So I'm just gonna hit on it. Like we can put something just before it, for example, text specs 2 points, or let's say text specs. Okay, after it you can leave it empty, you can add, or even like before and after you can both leave it empty. But like for my case, I just gave it text specs to show you guys how it looks when we implement it and save the page. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit save. All right, we cannot see it here because we didn't. This is just a template. We have to save and visit the actual page. So I'm just gonna save. Okay, good. I'm just gonna open the tab, or let's leave it as it is. I'm just gonna open another tab. I'm gonna go to the shop. And let's visit the page that we just added the custom field. So I think we added it to this. So I'm just gonna visit. And as you see, right now the text specs, the ACF field is shown. Okay, like we can customize it. For example, you can add specific colors to it. Just gonna go to design text. Like you can design it like a normal text. For example, blue. Let's give it some weight, ultra bold. And okay, I'm gonna hit save. And let's refresh our page to see the actual changes. And as you see, the text specs SD card splash jack input. I hope this is right, but it's just for the sake of the video. I'm not sure if I did the information right or not. So I'm just gonna show you guys again if this was applied to all the product, which is not, but I just want to make sure that you see the difference. Text specs. So as you see for the PC, we don't see the text specs because we didn't give it text specs, but the before is shown for every product. So make sure that you, for example, if you want to add a custom field, it's gonna appear for every product for like the before and after. The text will appear, for example, this one, And if you want to only show, for example, the custom field, the actual custom field, and hide it if it is like if it's not, hide it if it's not like for any other products, for specific products, you can just like delete before like that. And I'm gonna hit save, save, and save. Okay, I'm just gonna give it refresh, and as you see, it's disappeared from here. And when I go to like this speaker, it's shown, but just the value of the input field, of the custom field. Okay, so this is how we used ACF using WooCommerce in the Divi theme. You can use that also for posts or for custom, I don't know, for specific pages, specific custom post types, etc. Also, I didn't show you guys how to create a custom post type. So I'm just gonna hover to ACF again. I'm gonna create a post type. A post type, so what is exactly post type before we create a post type? So as you see in the dashboard, we have posts, we have media, we have pages, comments, projects here. So all of these are post types, okay? For example, another post type that we can add is, for example, for the books. If I want to add a book, we can create a post type for that book, and the book will have the title, the author, the publishing date, the number of pages, etc., etc. Not as a product, but just showing the post as it is. Okay. Another custom post type, like you can think of a lot of post types that you can add. We can add, for example, we're gonna go to post type, add a post type. For example, like he already gave you an example. So for example, movies. Yes, we can do movies. It's a post type. A singular label will be a movie. So just one movie is a movie without S. Okay, post type key. It's movie. Taxonomy. You can give it some taxonomy, like category. You can do tags. Like it's just like the normal post, where you have the different options, the different fields, where you can implement and customize. And also there is public, you can choose hierarchical, like it's structure, structured, advanced configuration. But, and then if you are satisfied with everything, you can just click on Save Changes. And as you see, it's already added here, the movies. Like it's just like the simple post. But what's the good about this thing with using ACF, you can add custom fields using like to this specific post type. As you see, it's just a normal post. We don't have any custom fields. So I'm just gonna go back, guys, and show you how to add the custom fields for this specific post type. So I'm just gonna go to field group, add a field group. I know this video is getting a little bit long. I'm sorry, guys, but I just wanted to show you how to use ACF entirely, but or basically in the basic form. I'm just gonna give this field group, let's say movies fields like that. Okay. Okay, the first field will be let's say the genre. Well, it will be a text, or maybe okay, let's give it genre. Okay, field name, default value, the post type. Okay, so this one is important. So post type is equal to what? It's equal to a movie. So I'm just gonna scroll up, save changes. And now when I visit the movies and create a new movie, I should see this custom field, okay? So when I scroll down at the bottom of the page, we see that we have the genre movie. So let's say, I don't know, Divi movie. All right, so let's give it, for example, horror. It's not horror, but let's give it horror. Okay. I'm just gonna publish. And now we have this like this Divi movie with the custom field, which is horror. We can use it like on any page. We can use it in the same. We can display it in the same post. We can use it later for sorting, for a lot of aspects, and like every website has its own options and requirements, what you need exactly. So that's it. So we came to the end of the video. I hope this was not too long. I hope you like it. I hope it was clear enough. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions below, and see you guys in the next video.